Short exercise 20-5. We're going to calculate unit cost. Spring Fresh produces premium bottled water. Spring Fresh purchases artesian water, so the water is not free. They store the water in large tanks and then runs the water through two processes, filtration and bottling. During February, the filtration process incurred the following costs in processing 200,000 liters. So here's our costs. Wages of the workers operating the filtration equipment, $19,950. Manufacturing overhead allocated to the filtration process, $20,050, and the water is $110,000. So some examples of overhead for the filtration system would be like depreciation on the filtration equipment and maintenance on the filtration equipment. Spring Fresh had no beginning work in process inventory in the filtration department in February, and they used the weighted average method. So our first task is to compute the February conversion costs in the filtration department. Determine the formula in words and then enter the amounts to compute the February conversion costs for the filtration department, or you can call it the filtration process. Department, process, same thing. So remember, conversion costs include direct labor and manufacturing overhead. So in this box over here, which one of these are direct labor? Well, that's the wages of workers operating the filtration equipment, $19,950. So I'm going to copy and paste that. And which ones are overhead? Manufacturing overhead, right here, $20,050. So we're going to add $19,950 plus $20,050 gets our conversion cost of $40,000. Check our answer. Requirement 2, the filtration department completely processed. Now this is important. These units, 200,000, are completely processed. If they were partially completed, then this whole process would be a little bit more difficult to do. So the filtration department completely processed 200,000 liters in February. What was the filtration cost per liter? So per unit. So the way we're going to calculate the cost per liter is we're going to take the total filtration costs and divide it by the total number of liters. Total number of liters is 200,000. And then the total filtration costs are $19,950 plus $20,050 plus 110. So we've already added up the manufacturing overhead, $19,950, together. So we know that this plus this is $40,000, and then we're going to add $110,000, so that's $150,000. So we're going to take 150,000 divided by 200,000. 150,000 divided by 200,000 gives us 75 cents per liter. So they created 200,000 liters of this premium bottled water, and it cost them 75 cents per liter to produce it. So they better be charging something higher than that. And that's it.